Kyle DeHaan, graduated 2009 from Oak Ridge High School. I attended the construction trades program. I decided to go to the Career Tech Center simply being outdoors is something I wanted to do. I enjoy the aspect of building, and this fit my profession that I wanted to go in. What I liked the most was the hands-on experience of actually building. It was actually getting down and dirty and getting out in the field and learning the basics to the most extreme and working in all the elements. The CTC experience here impacted me by allowing me to, after my years in the military, go off, work for local contractors, and then pushed me to pursue my own business before I came here as an instructor. I think the parents need to know that this is actually a really useful facility here. There's many careers, and it's baseline knowledge, but the kids are going to learn enough to get in, and they can wander and explore their profession from there. I think students that are looking at coming to the Tech Center, they need to realize that there's a lot of professions that you can learn here, and also that this is going to be a great opportunity for them to grow and experience things that you're not going to experience otherwise.